Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're going to love this new Solarium Suite right here on the Utopia of the Seas Royal Caribbean cruise that we tried for the very first time. It's a brand new suite located on deck 14. Our room number was 14530. Just look at the inside. It is gorgeous. There are three things I absolutely loved about this suite. First one is that you get two bathrooms. This is your first half bathroom. I'm going to show you the other bathroom. You're going to love it. It's just so beautiful. Oh, by the way, hello. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Amira. I'm the business lawyer and entrepreneur behind aselfcrew.com. All right, so the second thing is that look at that view. You have windows all around the suite in your bedroom as well. So you get water views, ocean views at all times. That is just amazing. And then the third thing was the Royal Genie service. I don't think I would have enjoyed my cruise time without that service. It is just amazing. You have complete VIP treatment given to you from the minute you board to the minute you depart, and you get like every single thing taken care of for you. As far as the mini bar, you must have seen, you get all your drink choices such as, water, soda, beer, things like that. And then our Royal Genie really surprised us with this beautiful wedding anniversary cake. We were celebrating our wedding anniversary as well as my birthday. She also decorated the entire suite. That was a very lovely surprise for me. When we walked in, we were just taken back, and she even had our names put together on these banners, and it was just like really sweet. Then now, as you can see, we're at this suite is right at the beginning of the ship, so you get perfect views. This is the bedroom. It's again beautiful. As far as technology is concerned, you get like everything, all the outlets. It's just like really nicely the way they put this together. This is another view. And now we're walking to my other favorite part of the suite. Well, first the closet space. You get a lot of space. You get a long mirror as well. So you have plenty of space here. If you are part of the star class, which you are if you're in the suite, you get like free dry cleaning and ironing and all of that service included with your stay. All right, so that's my other favorite area, the vanity area, which is very helpful for us ladies when we're getting ready. So now we're opening this and going right into the bathroom, which is just so beautiful. Look at it. It just is really nice. You get two sinks. You get this nice LED mirror. It's very stylish. You get that marble look on the floor. You get all the amenities from, shower gel to shampoo, conditioner, lotion, all of the good stuff. And then this is another highlight of the bathroom, the mood lighting. As you can see, you can change colors from your remote right there. So if you like to have a really nice relaxing experience, you can change the light to red, yellow, green, whatever color that you like. And it's just simply beautiful. Oh, and let me share with you one little accident that happened. There's a little bit of a design flaw with this bathroom. I'm going to share that in a bit, but here is your second toilet. So what happened was, when the first time I took a shower, I didn't know, but the drain wasn't working properly. And next thing you know, there was a little mini flood into the bathroom. The water came out and also came into our bedroom a little bit. And then my husband alerted me. So we had to call maintenance and get all of that fixed. And luckily they did that within a few hours. But then they also acknowledged the fact that there was a little bit of a design flaw. So keep that in mind. But fortunately, we didn't have any other issue after that. So this is another beautiful view. As you can see, the decorations that our Royal Genie did. Every night we got a surprise, and the first night we got our night suits, we got our eye masks, we also got some slippers. So as part of the suite, every evening you're given a cute little surprise, a gift in your suite, whether it's lip balms to actual gifts on my birthday from my Royal Genie. More photos are on my Instagram at aselfcrew. You should definitely check out this Royal Railway dinner experience, which makes you feel like you're on a train having this immersive dinner experience, but in reality you're actually only on a cruise. But they make it really fun for you. They have actors, so you get like a very nice experience, and it's quite memorable. So check out that particular video on my Instagram to see what you can expect in that experience. And then you should also check out Chef's Table. That's another great experience that I highly recommend, where you are treated like a VIP. And Next, I want to show you my other favorite part of our suite is this particular window, which turns into your own little private balcony. So with a click of a button, this window will come down. So this will turn into an actual balcony. So you can have like perfect view, fresh air coming in. And it just is, again, a very beautiful experience. The other thing to keep in mind is that departure is very early. So you have to leave by 8 a.m. and there's no room service on the day that you leave. This is the chef's table. They also put your name onto the menu and they let you keep that. So they really try their best to make this experience very amazing. And it was like almost like 3-hour dinner for us. So that's it for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel.